Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm excited to show you how to jailbreak fully load the Firestick with the best apps that you can get. I got the top 10 best applications for movies and TV shows. I got live TV, stores updated, stores clean up. You get full access for free movies, free TV shows, lots of content, free pay-per-views, tons of movies in 2K, HD, 1080p, everything's available, all premium content on your Firestick, and I'll show you step by step how to get this done. Let's get into this video and let me guide you step by step. So here I am, and this will give you an access to the best store, premium store for the Firestick that exists on the internet. So you're connected, you're signed into your Amazon account, and you're connected to the internet. The steps you have to follow, the first step you have to take is very simple. You're just gonna go over to settings, and from here, you're gonna go to My Fire TV or My Device, click on there. You see I have developer options, but if you're doing this for the first time, it's very unlikely you have developer options. It's not a problem. Just click on the About menu right there. You'll see I have my device name right there. It says Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Whatever it says for you, Fire TV Cube, Fire TV Lite, it doesn't matter. Just click on your device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It tells me no need. You are already a developer. But if you're not a developer, it's going to tell you now you are a developer. Now, if you click once back, you'll see you have developer options. Click 5 times. So twice, 3, 4, and 5. It's going to take you here. Okay. The next step you have to do is go to the Find option, go to the Search option down below, and click on Search. And in here, you can press the blue Alexa remote, or you can just type it in. You want to search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. You can also type it in. Sometimes my voice is a little bit iffy, doesn't pick it up, but it did pick it up. Orange, white icon like that. You want to click on that icon. Once you click on it, you want to click the download. Remember though, don't open up the Downloader application, because there's a couple of steps we have to do. So after it installs, you should get a notification here, but we're not going to open it up. You have an open option here, but we're not going to open it up. We're going to press the home button. And when you see this, now we can go into this app anytime, but we're not going to go into it. When we press the home button, we go to the home screen, and you want to slide over to the settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go to My Fire TV. Remember in the first step we did that. Developer options, want to click install unknown apps, and from here you want to switch the downloader to the on position, just like that. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click back 5 times again, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we've enabled that. One more step to get into the store, and I'll explain all the details, is find, go to search, follow this exactly as you see it, and type in IPVanish. This one we have to type it in. Okay, VANISH, just like that, IPVanish. Type that in and click on it. An icon's going to come up like this: black, gray, white, and green. Okay, click on this icon and press the download button. Now, I'm going to open it up and we're going to log in with your own account. Now, I'm going to explain everything in detail, what a VPN is going to do, and to make sure you have a right application, you'll see 94,000 reviews here, 4-star. A VPN is going to allow you to get access, full access to my store, over 50 applications or 60, with all the updates, all the media players, all the stuff is always updated. You get all the newest versions when you have access to my store. Internet service providers are now blocking access to movie links for 4K, 1080p, blocking access to sports, pay-per-views, special events. It's all being blocked on the internet service providers network layer. That means you cannot connect to these events, or the links don't work. So the reason some of the links don't work, because you're not running a VPN. So IPVanish is the best solution for that. Once it downloads, you open it up, and then I'm going to log into mine to set this up for the unlinked and to set up this to jailbreak or fully load my Firestick. I'm going to log in with my own account, but if you don't have your own account, you can scan this barcode here with your iPhone or Android phone, or go to this bit link here. Also, link in the pinned comment or description, you can go to that link. That's going to take you to a landing page. And for full transparency, there's a cost associated with it, but it's less than $3 a month. Okay, it's less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks, a latte at Starbucks per month. That's how much it costs. Works on unlimited devices. I can use this on 10 devices in my house if I want to. Works on Android phones, iPhones, Fire Sticks, Google Chromecast, Google Android boxes, NVIDIA Shields, you name it, okay? You can use one account all across. This is going to unlock full access to the Unlinked store. It's going to give you full access to these applications, full links to the sporting events, full links to the movies in high definition and all that stuff. And I'll show you how to set this up to work the best for all the applications in my Unlinked store. So you can pause the video to take care of it and follow the other steps in this video. So pause the video if you need to take care of it. Scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment. When you go to that bit link, you'll be at the landing page. Select your package. From there, sign up with your email address you're going to use and create a password. They'll email you to verify your account. After payment, you'll verify your account, and then you'll be ready to log on. Very simple process. Takes 5 minutes to get done, and that's going to unlock so much content for you. So pause the video if you need to. I'm going to log into mine, and I'll show you how to set this up to work the best on my Fire Stick. Once you get set up with your own account and you log in with your own email and password, it'll look like this. All you have to do is go to the settings here, hit the settings button, and click connect on Android startup. Make sure you turn that on. Okay. Once you're done, then hit the back arrow, go to the location and click on that location button. Okay. You'll see countries. You want to scroll all the way to the United States country. Okay. Once you see United States, you want to click on that. You want to say favorite United States. It's going to put a little yellow star on it. You want to click on that again and say connect to United States. Once you click that, a screen will appear. You have to click the OK button, and a screen will flicker, and you'll be fully set up and protected. So make sure you take advantage of that if you haven't. That's going to keep you private when streaming, so don't risk getting letters and things from your internet service provider. It's going to keep you protected. It's going to give you access to special content and links that are blocked by your internet service provider. You get so much more out of your Fire Stick with these third-party apps, and I have over 60 available in my store. Okay, once you connect to a US server and you've done that, you press the home button, and now we can safely go into the downloader application that we downloaded in the first step. You want to click on it. That's going to open up that application. You're going to press the OK button with the remote. Click one up. This will highlight this little field in yellow right here. You want to click on this little box here. Okay. And you want to type in unlinked .link. Just like that. Okay. Once you type that in, unlinked.link, you want to press the go button. You'll see a website will pull up, and I can scroll up and down, left to right. You're going to scroll down until you see something that says download APK Android with a little Android icon. You want to click on that. Now it's going to pop up with the download, and it's going to start downloading the unlinked application in Downloader. Okay, once it downloads, you have the opportunity to press the install button. But very important, don't press the open button, only press the done button. There's one last step we have to do. Okay, press the delete and press the delete to delete the actual installation files. Once you're done, now you can safely press the home button, and you see Unlinked is installed, but we're not going to click on it yet. We got to go to settings. Okay, from settings, we have to go to My Fire TV or My Device. In here, go back to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we turn the unlinked to the on position. Okay, once you do that 5 times back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to get us all to the main menu. Okay, now we can safely open up the unlinked application. This will open it up. You see a box that says add new library. You press the new library. You can click into this blinking cursor and put in the code Firestick lowercase. Okay, so all lowercase Firestick. Okay, just like that, Firestick lowercase. And once you do that, Firestick lowercase, just press the next button. Okay, that's going to throw you into my store. You'll see the screen at home when you're doing this on your Firestick, nicely cleaned up, showing you the best updates that we have right now. Okay, movies and TV shows and live TV. These are the best apps you can get. Fully load your Fire Stick with this stuff. It's incredible, works really great. Once you're able to take a picture of the screenshot, which is very important, which apps are amazing and work really well, I update this every 2 weeks for you guys. You can press the enter button, but if you don't see an enter button, depending on the version of your Fire Stick, like me, I don't have an enter button. I'll simply click the backward arrow and scroll right over to unlinked and go right back in. And when I'm back into the unlinked application, it'll say decrypting, and then it'll show you my updates right here, a little folder with saying newtech apps. You want to click on that, okay, and this will pull up my store. You'll see all files and categories. You'll see uncategorized stuff, and then you'll see free apps, ad-free players, Fire Stick tools, Kodi, live TV apps, media players, movie and TV show apps. You can scroll through all the categories and you can download all the best apps. I got all the categories for top apps for movies and TV shows, top apps for live television, top apps for pay-per-view sports. Everything's updated, all the newest versions, and it's super simple to download apps. Once you have my store, you can go back at any time and scroll up and down, left to right for all the categories. For example purposes, I'm going to install Task Kill Fire Stick just to show you how the installation process works. You click on the app, you press the download button. Okay, the app will download, you press the install app, and screen will flicker, and the app's installed. That's simple, I just installed this app, puts a little check mark once installed. Click on the other app, newtech subscribe, just another testing app. You'll see I'll download the app. You can press install app. Screen flickers, we installed a second app. So you can fully load your Fire Stick up and down, left to right with all these best applications that I have in my store. Okay, so once you click home, you'll see these apps got installed. And if you want to get more apps, you can go back in at any time. Just show you for this entire process, I was logged into a VPN. You see how fast it was operating, fast downloading. The servers are amazingly quick. You're not going to get much buffering with IPVanish anymore. They've upgraded their servers. The deal is incredible. Through my affiliate link here, you're going to get 70% off. You're going to stream anonymously. You can full access to unlinked, full untethered access to all the apps, 2K links, 1080p links for movies and TV shows, using great applications like FlickVision, OnStream, just to name a few. My store has tons of them for all kinds of content, okay? So if you haven't set up an account yet, scan this barcode with your Android or iPhone, go to this bit link, you're gonna get 70% off. It's like a latte at Starbucks. It's really less than $3 a month. You can get full access, full untethered access, and full protection, and just gonna get so much more out of your Fire Stick, okay? So that's pretty much it. One thing that people were saying, they cannot find the apps from here. If that's the case, you can go to settings and you can go to applications, manage installed applications, and then you can locate the apps right here that I installed. Also, you can press the three hamburger menu, the three lines on your Fire Stick remote, and you can get some options for these apps. So actually the middle D-pad first, okay? And you can uninstall things, clear defaults, clear cache if something doesn't work, okay? And you can launch it as well from here, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you jailbreak, fully load your Fire Stick. I just updated my store. I gave you guys the newest versions, the best apps. Everything's updated. Everything's working great. I do this every 2 weeks, bring you a hot video, show you how it's done. Hopefully this works. Let me know if some apps are still broken, if something doesn't work. I haven't put a PIN number in my store. In the future, I might be putting a PIN lock on my store. I haven't done it yet, but in the future, I might do that as people are knocking off and stealing my content. Therefore, I might put a four-digit PIN. But I only ask for two things. I don't ask for money or for donations. All you need to do to get the new PIN is comment on this video, because I'll reply with the PIN to each individual comment under this video. Automatically will reply, okay? In YouTube Studio, I'll set it up to automatically reply to each comment. So with the four-digit PIN, if I do ever set it. So just comment where you're from, what city and town you represent, how you found me, are you a new subscriber, maybe what's your favorite food, what's your favorite sports team, how long you've been watching me, what would you like to see more, what do you don't like to see more, criticize me, say whatever you want. All I want is your comment for that PIN lock, okay, that I'm going to give you if I do ever PIN lock it. Also follow me on X. That Link is available in the description. Please follow me on X. I'll keep you guys updated, keep you going on there and show you all the best stuff. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. Appreciate your tuning in. It means a lot to me. Your comments and sharing is so important. Please share my video on X. Please comment on my video. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I don't want any donations. I just want those two things. And thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.